Hello, my name is Mark Walters, and in this short video we're going to be having a look at the new Server Group Log Management feature that has been introduced in the Remedy AR System 9.1 Service Pack 4 release. This provides a single form from which you can both view and set the logging options across all of the servers in your server group. This avoids having to access the individual logging pages on each of the servers. The form is opened using the Server Group Log Management link on the application flyout menu. As you can see, the form's similar to the logging page we're all already used to. We have checkboxes for enabling and disabling individual logs. We can set the log file names and the log levels where appropriate. Some of the less commonly used logging features, such as log file filtering and log file sizes, can be controlled under the Advanced Settings link. The bottom four options here, email engine, CMDB and flashboards, can't be enabled or disabled using this page because they're permanently enabled by the component itself. We can, however, still change the log file name and the log level. Let's start by having a look at the settings currently in effect on one of our servers. We use the Load Settings From area of the screen and select a server from the drop-down menu. So here we can see that API, SQL and user logs are enabled. Some of the other logs have non-standard names, but are currently turned off. If we wanted to enable those, we click the checkboxes, and then we need to change the Apply Setting toggle from red to green. We also then need to choose which of the servers we want to send these settings to. We can choose to send them to all of the servers in our server group, an individual server, or a server list. The server list provides a convenient way of grouping together servers that provide common functionality. For example, all of your user-facing servers or integration servers, systems on which you may want to apply common log settings. In this case, we're going to apply them to the same server we read them from, server 614. Now note that only the settings where we've changed the apply to green will be sent to the server. Although these other ones are selected, they won't be sent because these are still red. So now let's go and have a look and confirm that the settings were actually set. We'll load again from the server, and we can see all of the options that were enabled. To turn off a log, we uncheck the Enable Log option, choose the Apply setting, and then choose the server we're sending it to. In this case, we'll turn off API and escalation logs across all of our servers. So if we now have a look, we should find that in each case, API and escalation logs are not enabled. It's also worth pointing out that the Java plugin logging works a little differently. Because a system can have multiple Java plugin servers, the plugin port number is appended to the log file name. So for each Java plugin server on the system, you would have a Java plugin underscore port number.log. Templates provide a convenient way of grouping together common log settings. For example, you may define a template to enable just user logging, or perhaps SQL and API logging to a common file. Templates can be created or modified using the Manage Templates screen. For example, we could modify an existing template by adding another logging option, or create a new one from scratch. Please use the links on this page to view a more detailed description of the Server Group Log Management feature, along with past and upcoming Remedy webinars.